best website builder for musicians in 2019. A host of different services will now let you put a website online, quickly and easily, no coding skills required, but if you're looking for something to show off your talents as a musician and you need a more specific set of features. Primarily, a way of uploading and sharing your tunes in a simple and secure way, even if it's just snippets of songs rather than whole tracks or indeed albums. If you're a musician for hire, then it can be useful to have some kind of booking system in place as well, or at least a contact form. On top of that, there are all the extras you might be interested in, like support for your own domain name or gallery pages to show just how many people came to your last gig. Here are our picks for the best website builder for musicians to create a presence online. We've also picked out the best website builder for photographers. 1. Bandzoogle. Designed specifically for musicians. Sell music, tickets and merch. Plug in all your social accounts. Not the most flexible theme editor. You won't find too many website builder services aimed specifically at musicians, but Bandzoogle gleefully jumps in to provide a bespoke service specifically for bands and artists. While it lacks some of the polish of the big names, because it focuses on the musician niche in particular, it has everything you should need. That includes, of course, the ability to upload your own tracks and let visitors stream them from your website. You can get tracks organized into entire albums if you really want to go to town, or just share single tracks. And then, as well as that, you've got simple ways to post gig dates, blog updates, and so on. Whether you need to build a contact form or a video diary, Bandzoogle makes it easy. No coding required. You can really make a site that's as simple or as complex as you like, and the end result is something that looks like you hired a specialist. You've got over 100 themes to choose from. They're all straightforward to edit and tweak, and connecting up social accounts, including the likes of SoundCloud and Bandcamp, only takes a few clicks.